Children, in India, there are three main types of civil services. All India services, they include the Indian Administrative Service, that is IAS, Indian Police Service, IPS, and Indian Forest Service, that is IFS. The next one, that is Union or Central Services, they come under the Union government. They include Indian Foreign Service, IFS, Indian Revenue Service, IRS, etc. And state civil services, that is another part, they come under the state government. They include Deputy District Collector, Block Development Officer, Tehsildar, etc. They are recruited through competitive examinations held at the state level. So children, here you have come to know about the types of civil services. One is All India services, next one is Union or Central services, and then the state civil services. Children, Indian Constitution has established autonomous institutions like the Public Service Commissions to ensure that the civil servants are selected on the basis of criteria of merit and efficiency. The Union Public Service Commission conducts examination for recruitment and appointment of candidates for All India Service and Central Services. The Maharashtra Public Service Commission selects candidates through competitive examinations and recommends them to the government to be recruited in the state administration. So children, Public Service Commission is established to ensure that the civil servants are selected on the basis of merit and efficiency. This autonomous institution has been established by the Indian Constitution to select appropriate candidates for the Commission, conducts exam, decides eligibility criteria, conducts interviews of candidates, presents the list of selected candidates to the government and recommends them for recruitment. Children, in order to provide opportunities to all sections of the society to enter in the bureaucracy and civil services, there is a provision for reservations for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, women, other backward caste, and specially abled. This provision ensures that weaker sections of the society are not left out of civil services due to social inequality. Children, provision for reservation for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, women, other backward caste, and specially abled in civil services. This is done to provide opportunities to all sections of society to enter in civil services. Here I want to tell you that Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC, conducts examinations for recruitment and appointment of candidates for All India Services and Central Services. Acha, All India Services means Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service and Indian Forest Service. and central services, that is Indian Foreign Service and Indian Revenue Service. Children, Maharashtra Public Service Commission, that is MPSC, selects candidates and recommends them to the government to be recruited in the state administration. So, Maharashtra Public Service Commission, it is responsible for state administration, and Union Public Service Commission conducts the exam for recruitment and appointment of candidates for All India services and central services. Children, the efficiency of a particular government department depends upon the interrelationship between minister and department secretaries and deputy secretaries. The decisions relating to the department are made by concerned minister, but information not makes such decision is given by the civil servants. Civil servants, meaning bureaucracy, has complete control over information. It is the civil servant who knows the financial provisions for a particular scheme or plan. Civil servants are aware of the history of successes and failures of policies. Hence, ministers are dependent upon the civil servants. If ministers maintain a dialogue with civil servants and develop mutual trust and transparency, it will help the departments. So children, here you have come to know about ministers and secretaries. The efficiency of a particular government department depends upon the interrelationship between the minister and department secretaries and deputy secretaries. Civil servants have complete control over the information related to their department. They are aware of the history of successes and failures of policies. Hence, the ministers are totally dependent on the civil servants. So children, today I have discussed about types of civil services. You have come to know about All India services, union or central services, and state civil services. Then I have discussed about the Public Service Commission and the function of Public Service Commission. Then you have come to know Union Public Service Commission is responsible for conducting the exam for All India services and central services, and Maharashtra Public Service Commission is responsible for the recruitment in the state administration. Then it is also discussed that in order to provide opportunities to all sections of society to enter in the bureaucracy and civil services, there is a provision for reservation for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, women, other backward caste, and specially abled. Children, about the ministers and secretaries, you have come to know that civil servants have complete control over the information related to their department, and the ministers are totally dependent on the civil servants. So, the topic bureaucracy whatever is discussed or whatever is given in your textbook, I have discussed in detail. You have come to know what is bureaucracy, then the fundamental functions of the government, representative and administrative officers, characteristics of bureaucracy, significance of Indian bureaucracy, then today about the types of civil services, about Public Service Commission and their function, their types, about the reservation for weaker sections, and at last ministers and secretaries, how they are interdependent with each other. So children, now you should go through the topic in detail from your textbook. You should read your textbook. Already the question answer related to the topics, the PDF file, it was posted yesterday. You should go through the question answer. You should write those answers in your notebook, and also it is necessary to read your textbook. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy.